Sabi girl no dey too like talk, and the man stay in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want chop. E no finish they won't fight us, if them they run them no fit catch up.
Welcome back. What's that? Welcome back to my channel. I am super happy today because today is the 30th of December. Yes, and we are one day away from the new year. I'm so excited and I'm so thankful to God because God has been so faithful this year. It's been one hell of a ride. Okay, so today is going to be a great day. I have so much on my to-do list which I'm going to tell you guys now. Yeah, I want to go get some stuff from the supermarket, maybe Ebano. I want to get shower mat because I think I'm tired of this shower mat in this bathroom. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the shower mat that is here. I brought this from my former apartment. I think it's time to change it, so I want to get something similar to this shade or something that would just, you know, blend well with this place. I've not had lighting here and it's crazy, so I'm going to get at Ebano. And what else? I have a lot to do. Shower mats, lighting. Shower mat, lighting. I also want to change the light here. I feel like the management should do all of that, but since they refuse to fix it for me, I'm going to get some lights. I want to put yellow lights here and here. Yeah, these ones are good. This one I feel I should use yellow lights too, but I don't know, but I will just try to get something for this. So let's start our day. I'm so excited, all the way from my mom sent me food stuff. Oh my god, the best mom in the world. And then she sent, because I could not make it home, She sent egunsi. Smells so good. She sent obeata. She sent palm oil. She sent eja, and then she packaged the, I think the chicken. Yeah, she killed chicken, packaged my Christmas chicken and sent to me. Yes, so excited! Like, this makes me so happy. Let me put it in a pot. These are the benefits of not going normal. Imagine if I had gone no. I'll still enjoy it. Well, this is just a special level of enjoyment. Okay? Ignore the book. This is the real egusi. So nice. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is the face of a happy child. Okay? You know what I mean? My mommy sent me food all the way, and I'm just going to eat now. I want to make swallow, and I'm going to sleep. No, not sleep. I need to edit this video. I'm trying to get consistent for you guys. I'm trying to get used to this vlog life and get consistent, you know what I'm saying? So let's go and eat, then we edit. Okay? Yeah, so see what I got from Ebano. Got this bouncy. This is the best paper towel for facials. So nice. And I got this yeah, these gloves, these bath gloves. This is really nice and thick. And I also went with this. I wanted to get something for my natural hair, so I'm going to be trying the Nature Gentle Touch, and I got the conditioner, the shampoo, the deep conditioner, serum, and shampoo. So I've been seeing everywhere online that it's better to just go straight with your deep conditioner instead of using conditioner. Just go straight with deep conditioning after shampoo. So I'm going to be trying this out. Yeah. So I also got this foot scrub from Ebano and this big roller. There's this content I want to create, and this came into my head. So when I create this content, I'm going to post it. But I got this roller and pin to just help, and then I got this face washing sponge. I have dark spots that has refused to go, so with my skincare routine I'm sure it's going to help. And this cleaner, oh my god, the last time I got the lemon, I couldn't find it anymore, so I went with the strawberry. And it smells really good. Like, it smells like bubble gum. It's really nice. Yeah, and I got the razor, some strawberry. I forgot the shower mat. Not like I forgot. So Ebano does not have the particular shower mat I wanted to get. Ebano does not have that. So I'm going to get it at Atlantic Mall in Chevron. They have varieties. I've been there. Let's change this. The old one. Let's take out the old one. Let's put the new one. The egusi is so nice. I'm eating egusi with rice. So nice. Whew, the weather is so hot. Going outside is now like a big deal to me, because I mean, last time I was at the market before Christmas, I actually blamed myself for going to the market that day. Like, my body was just itching me. The sun out here is terrible. Mama. So I would like to end this vlog here. Excuse me. I would like to end the vlog here because tomorrow is the day before 2023. I want to go out. I have a lot of script to write. I need to check my course that I'm doing. So I just started the second part of the course. I have just finished the first part. So I need to go to the working space and check that course out. Just like figure out a way to go about it and how to study. Just create a plan for it. I'm also going to write down my goals for the year, for the new year. I've actually like scripted it, but I need to like get into the details tomorrow. I also like to make my nails tomorrow, so I have a long day ahead of me tomorrow. So I need to wrap up this vlog and start editing so that I can be able to push it out for you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, I'm a newbie to this vlog life. I mean, you guys enjoyed my house hunting video, but it's so different compared to in-house vlog and all of that. So yeah, that's all about 30th of December. Yes guys, so I'm going to catch you later while I eat my food. It's so good. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, I just got back. So I branched at the mall there, and this is what I got for the bathroom. I hope it's the same size as the one I showed you, and I hope it's just so cute. So okay, I don't think I'll need this. Jesus. Beautiful. It's so long. I love it. Beautiful. So let's go lay the mat. It's so long. see the difference. Oh, it's super long. Oh, and it's not so big. I don't know. Should I leave it like this? Let me take this out. This has really saved its purpose. Thank you. So I'm thinking I should lay it like this. Like this. Oh, the exact size, man. Exact size. Like this. Or no, this is it. This is it. I love it. So much better than the orange. Please don't fold. It's still folding for now, but by the time we start using it, it will, yeah. I love it. Beautiful. So much better than this. This was totally off. I bought it from my previous apartment. This is so much better, so that when I'm doing the whole shower routine, you know what I'm saying, my feet is gonna look so cute, and I'm gonna have white toenails, of course. Yeah, can't wait. So I got this cute tray. It's so cute. I'm going to use it to do my whole breakfast. One of my goals, let me say it like this. One of my goals for 2023 is to add weight in the right places, and I want something that would make food so attractive to me. So I'm just going to be using this tray to eat. I mean, when I'm eating, I just want to put my food in this fancy tray. I love it. I don't know why I didn't see that. This is terrible, man. This is terrible. But it must be a mistake. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. So I'm preparing for first the New Year fried rice, cooking, salad, stuff. I got some stuff from supermarkets, you know. But I still need to go to the market, so I'll be going to the market very soon. But yeah, that's all. Look at the tray. Look at the tray. So beautiful. So cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna be serving my food on this tray.